Voice is coming to every device, every platform, and every household globally. Why? Because it's intuitive, simple, and powerful. And customers around the world are beginning to notice, while companies are looking for intelligent agents to answer phones, control products, and serve customers. But solutions from Amazon, Google, and others don't protect privacy. And companies don't want to send their data to Silicon Valley giants. They view big tech as rivals. That's because big tech is setting itself up to compete in nearly every industry. Retail, automotive, consumer products, cloud computing, even space launch services. Name the industry, and big tech has a presence. At Mycroft, we're solving this problem by building a voice assistant that's open source, runs anywhere, and eventually will interact exactly like a person. Sounds impossible? Google just demonstrated the technology, and soon we will too. We're building an open source AI that interacts so naturally, when people speak to it, they won't know if they're speaking to a person or a machine. Mycroft is being designed to run anywhere: mobile, desktop, automotive, and in our own smart speakers, the Mark I and the Mark II. It uses machine learning, and so it gets smarter over time, and it's already in use by tens of thousands of people around the world. So how do we make money? By selling speakers to consumers and software to enterprise customers. We've already shipped speakers to consumers around the world, and to companies like Cisco, Hewlett-Packard, Spotify, and others. We started the project in 2015 with a highly successful Kickstarter. We were then invited to join Techstars. Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, change it, hack it, upgrade it, where we signed an agreement with Ubuntu. After Techstars, we raised a $350,000 angel round, won Tech Week, took an investment from Jaguar Land Rover, joined 500 startups, shipped our first Kickstarter, joined Mass Challenge, won Hello Tomorrow, raised $2 million, partnered with KDE and Mozilla, then ran a second highly successful Kickstarter. And our sales? Up 400% last year. And this year, we've already sold more product than in every prior year combined. And we've made tons of progress on the technology too. Just listen to how much our speech synthesis technology has improved over time.
Be a voice, not an echo.
Be a voice, not an echo.
That's a lot of progress. And we've got a great team to thank for it. Our team includes former executives and employees from companies like Autodesk, Rhythm, Siri, Amazon, Google, and the BATS stock exchange. And we've taken quite a lot of venture capital over the last 2 years. We've taken investments from Deep Space Ventures, Greenbice VC, T2M Capital, TechNexus Venture Partners, Social Starts, and Kika Capital. But our past financings have all been closed to our community. Due to SEC regulations, they were limited to accredited investors. As we move towards a future powered by voice, we want to give our community a chance to benefit financially from our collaboration. We want Mycroft developers and enthusiasts to own the company that they are passionate about. So we put together this equity crowdfunding offering to allow anyone to invest in Mycroft. If you believe in an open future for voice, if you believe that everyone should have access to this important technology, not just big tech, if you believe in privacy, user agency, and an open internet, you're our type of investor. Please consider investing in Mycroft today.